It's so exciting to feel like spring is here when you feel the sun, and then you can start to see tulips growing. You see the little start of them coming, and it's so exciting because we just are waiting for them to bloom, and then we see them as cut flowers. It's just amazing. For me, it's just the first taste of spring, and it just makes me so happy, and I feel that in other people as well. Because I have such a love for tulips and tulip bulbs, I've been doing a little bit of research on them. I already knew that they came from Holland and they were gifted to Canada, but why and how I didn't know. And so what I found out was during World War II, when Princess Juliana was being kept safe, we sheltered her here in Canada with her daughters for 3 years to keep her safe from the Nazi occupation in her homeland. So when she returned, they were so appreciative that the Netherlands donated 10,000 tulip bulbs to Ottawa, where we have the Tulip Festival. That's just so cool. Like, this not only was in appreciation, but the tulip bulb, to them, it saved lives. People ate the tulip bulb, people actually made flour out of it and made bread. So it was amazing. And so that feeling that they've given to Canada, we appreciate it. And when we see these tulips grow, it's just an amazing to know that as well. It's not just spring, it's life.
Did you know that there are over 3,000 registered tulip varieties in the world? We want to know what your favorite color is. Comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe to see more great Shaw Spotlight content.